Alright, recording.
Remember, for turn on, I'm turning on the show now.
Alright.
The other mic not in, right?
No, it's just this mic.
Okay, good.
This is one.
Oh, so I'm looking over on that, yeah. And okay, ready? Right, I need to find where this energy. If there is a error or anything, I'll just kind of keep it moving.
If you need to, if it's a case that we need to just redo it, let me know.
Okay. All right. And all right, so that makes so nice, Jane. So we can feel. We need to feel like a piece of energy.
Whoa! 10 years.
Okay. All right, count me down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh God, Jesus, Beam. Oh God, can you just calm down the applause? Keep the applause now. Continue. Jesus, why am I nervous? So welcome to the first episode of season 10 of the DuttyBerryShow's social media countdown. Can you believe it? Oh gosh, and if you're new, my name is DuttyBerry, because that's why the channel named DuttyBerryShow YouTube channel. But I am lost for words. I cannot believe it has been 10 years of my baby, my show, the social media countdown. I started in 2014, you know. Like this was fresh after the Voice with Tess and Chin. And when that show ended, I was just like, what the box cover am I going to be doing with my life? Because nobody not going to listen to me after this. Nobody, what am I going to do to stay relevant? And so I did some time. Well, we never really got jail, but I just spent some time and I came up with the brilliant idea of, starting my own show. And I called it the Social Media Countdown. And the first episode was only 5 minutes because I never think somebody will listen to me for that long. And look at us now in 2024, we're 5 minutes past, and I know I'm going to jump into the top 10 topics. So before I really jump into everything, I have to go and dig up, Duns for this lovely table right here. And so I'm going to come ask the producer, camera person, for us to put the information on the screen so they can actually know where to go and reach out to Duns, right? And so they can get all kind of things, because when I went up there, I never noticed there are so much different items for the household they had available, and they were very kind to provide this table for me. Someone could have get this set going. So they will be having a yard sale, actually. I think the 23rd to the 26th is around my birthday. Yes, my birthday is May 26th. So if you have a present to go and give me, remember, reach out, just send me an email. I am accepting money. I don't think more on paper rent this month. So if the Burritos can come together and pay my rent, that is nice. So I got Duns Electrical out of the way, and I also have to go and big up my friend Akeem on his car wash business. Yes, man, a car wash. So the information is right there. So please go and check them out for all of your car cleaning services. They're very mobile, especially if you're around the UTech UE area. Reach out to them. Very affordable prices. Anyway, so oh Lord, I had created something now. Oh shoot, we'll have the montage. It's there. Okay, it's there. Okay, luckily that's there. Yeah, man. So before I actually jump into the show, I just wanted to show this montage that gives a little synopsis of the 10 years. Take a look.
All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, welcome to the
first Dutty Berry social media review, where basically I just talk about anything that I find interesting in terms of pictures, videos, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and all them something there. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to another social media countdown. Welcome back to another Dutty Berry social media countdown. Social media countdown is here again. Our new social media countdown. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to
Another social media countdown.
Lean.
Oh God, Burritos, thank you so much for your continued support. Like, I know me not really appear anywhere. I am a very awkward youth. I stay to myself. And so the fact that you guys have stayed with me, rocked with me when me I give you content every week, and when me disappear for months, you guys have still been here working with me and uplifting me. At one point, especially this year, I felt like, yo, I do not want to continue with this social media dream, but I realized I got so much support, so many messages. I'm actually going to read some of the messages later on this month that just basically picked up my spirit and reminded me that the people them want to look out for the content. It might not be locally, but you see, internationally, the Burritos are there to support me. I'm gonna say this season is for Uno, right? Because Uno make me continue to this day. And so I know why me get teary-eyed at all of these things, because we have a whole heap of excitement. And if you're on the live, make sure you go and like, comment, and subscribe and all of these things. But let's get into the meat of the matter, which is the top 10 topics. Check them out.
The saucy of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, him cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened of the week, yo, just tune in. Zine.
This? See? I mean, I need to buy time to kind of remember the number 10. Oh, shit.
Let's record. You know, right here.
The phone.
Speaks of that's straight.
My ears lean, that's why. Yeah, one kind of like a seesaw. Number 10, Rogero meets Lewis. My word, my sentence. So, you know Shensea's son, right? Shensea's son by the name of Rogero. So recently, a video started to circulating in these F1 streets that said that F1 driver Lewis Hamilton meets fan. And so when I am looking at this video, I say, wait there, now Shensea's done this. Take a look at the video. Well, the video never have no audio? Okay.
Let's roll up to this, right? 3, 2, go.
Yeah, man. So, you know, honestly, like, this is such a moment. Like, you can tell Sir Rogero was meeting his idol. Like, I then look at something here, I feel like, you know, our memories that will last for a lifetime. I remember when I was younger, I actually get an autograph from Lauryn Hill. And that was something that was arranged by my mother. And that moment meant such a lot to me because, you know, Lauryn Hill, a big star, especially them time there. So we know this is going to be a core memory for Rogero. But what the streets are saying is that Mr. Lewis Hamilton, Mr. The game you play. Because if your friend Rogero, you can get to his mother. We see you coming for the stepfather role, and well done, sir. So anyway, Burritos, do you think that Shenseea and Mr. Hamilton will make a nice couple? Sound off in the comments.
Moving to the next camera. Oh, stop. Please say the numbers and you say, cool, yeah.
Mhm.
Alright, this count. 3, 2, 1.
All right, and then number 9, we're talking about blood clot. Number 9, how again? Oh, Romy's third, yeah.
11, 3, 2, 1.
And number 9, we have Romy's third. Like, why we name the topic so? Yes, so if you don't know, yesterday Romain Virgo's wife posted this video to her social media announcing that they're expecting their third child together. Oh, take a look.
What does this say, guys? I wonder if it's just us. Like, suppose we alone can see it. And only see one.
Yeah.
Good news, guys. I'm really surprised and a little bit scared. And I'm happy. Of course, I'm happy. But we can't believe. Mercy.
Oh God, wow. Congratulations, Elizabeth. Congratulations. Like, honestly, I feel like Romain Virgo just needs to be Mr. Jamaica right now. Like, he is the family man in these streets. Is Wayne Marshall and Romain Virgo. Like, boy, the families are expanding. We don't know by probably like in the next 5 years, him have the same amount of, children as Wayne Marshall and Tommy Chin. So, Elizabeth, congratulations. Love to see you and your beautiful family and the YouTube channel. And Romain just continues to be such an inspiration and just such a good representation of a Jamaican male. So, Burritos, let me know, like, how excited are you for their announcement? Sound off below.
Pause. That screen there. Should the screen be showing?
Oh, shit. I went that switch off.
If you like to switch off while the other video.
Okay.
Before we bring it close up again.
Let's just take it back. All right?
Oh, yeah. Good. My good take back. Number 9. So let's start with the close up.
Yeah, number 9.
As I said, if you can give.
Oh, I don't want that.
If you can give a slight pause when you switch from the camera to this and you look.
A slight pause.
Yeah, maybe.
Where? When I finish the number? From here to here? Okay. That's right.
Right. Be in a state.
Wait, no. It should change. Hello.
I mean, it's alright. There we go. People know.
Oh, okay.
So again with number 9.
Yeah. Here, right?
Yeah. 4, 3. Remember the pause. 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, and so in the 9th position, we have Romain's third. No, we're not talking about. We're talking about the announcement of. Oh shit, we should have moved over here. So let's go again. Ready?
4, 3, 2.
Number 9, Romain's third. Woo! All right, so I don't know if you saw this video yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Yes, man. There was an announcement made by Romaine's partner, his wife, Elizabeth. Just take a look. Mm-hmm.
What does this say, guys? Me and Romaine, I wonder if it's just us. Like, suppose we alone can see it. And only see one.
Yeah.
Good news, guys. I'm really surprised and a little bit scared. And I'm happy. Of course, I'm happy. But it's what we can't believe. Mercy.
Oh! Congratulations, Romaine and Elizabeth. Jesus, Pete. You know, so often you have young girl have them named Elizabeth, like, you know, so she's supposed to come from like royalty. That's why she behave herself. So, you know, so she walk and behave careless. That's why she carry herself like a queen. Because, come on, you ever seen Elizabeth need struggle? No, I don't think so. Romaine, congratulations. Like, I just love to see the family expanding. Them seem so wholesome, you know, them have the nice family content. And right about now, I just think so the two of them must race. Romaine and Whine, only just for compete now, have to see who can have the most amount of pitney over the next 10 years. Like, that is a challenge. Only can be like the modern day, well, not the modern day. Only can bring the little Usain Bolt versus a sort of a rivalry there, but bring it in at the pregnancy. Okay, that's it. I don't think I'm just to make much sense, but we're going to press along like we are saints. All right, number 9. Number 8.
Number 8.
You know, so I can't go. Okay.
3, 2.
Number 8, Lisa Whine. Yes, so you remember one politician one time did say something about recited the words from a Spice song that said her punahahasha is pretty from back way. You know, I'm only talking about one person, the pulchritudinous Lisa Hanna. And if you don't know the word, go and look it up. The word basically means beautiful. Okay, it's a big word for say beautiful. So next time when I say Lisa, say the pulchritudinous Lisa Hanna. So Lisa Hanna is showing that she doesn't only have it in the face, you know. Lisa, I make you know that she also have it in the waist. So go and check out these 2 clips of Lisa bubbling in the streets.
Y'all, guess who blessed?
So, I not seeing number 8. Is it a picture or a video? It's a video, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, me see from here, me see. I mean, yeah, that would be. No.
There's no number 8?
Yeah, number 8 video. Number 2 picture. Yeah, it's a song in the street now. The stream have a limits to how much videos you can have.
I think over to the side, you are supposed to can add a good amount, but I think in the thing where my face and other camera is, there's a limit.
Oh, is the format of the video?
Yeah, right, too big.
No, just something with the format. Easy.
Okay. What's about the format?
So basically, it not show when we go into the folder from streaming uploads.
Oh, okay. Okay. So that means something else to be aware of.
Oh, man, how you did capture the screenshots with it saying being an interview? Because we realized we have to snip them over again.
Oh, I'm gonna say from my phone. I'm gonna say screenshot it and.
Probably that's fine. But send it through WhatsApp. WhatsApp will convert.
Okay.
The one that will work.
Yeah, some of this screenshot and then I just upload to the drive.
Right, so use convert.
It's still recording, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
It's just running through because I think I'm open as a big converter. At least yes, man, the video. So I did just the video, right? I did just that. I did introduce everything.
Yeah, and look, if we have number 7 as well. We have number 6, number 5, number 4, number 3, and number 2, and number 1. We have the number 1s because it might be the same problem.
No.
Yeah, I did do it off my phone and upload it.
Okay. So at least all right. Let me get on before we start.
And I think for number 1 it was 2 videos.
Actually, remind me for the
Oh yeah, man, I almost number 2. Remember the part there.
the track for the aim that fast.
Yeah.
It's
Can't catch a break today. No, I'm saying I can't catch a break today. Yeah.
It's not that.
Oh, it's fine, man. It's fine. I know people are like, you know what you should do for your birthday? Roast you. Like that's what we came with. They're like, you thought it was just gonna be a regular for his birthday? Nah, we're gonna roast you for your birthday.
No, it's an unhealthy thing for birthday. Next Monday,
Yo, I was watching the roast of Tom Brady, and I was like, well, yesterday I was like, yeah, man, I'm not prepared.
Kim Kardashian never get who was looking at it.
Well, they're bored, but they never clap her in the end. I just think say Kim. It's like you just be like, with us up in that car, don't can't make you feel too positive. It's like Kim just show up, she could just be existing. You're like, you know what, her life too good. I feel.
Fucking spots in our daughter do that every day.
Oh yes.
The green blue. So 1B is no added officially. So let's start with you. Alright, no people.
Oh.
So in case you
give it some man, put on that and give it something on the rhythm. You know me no dance, every week you have me do all kind of things in the gym. But a move. No, but a move, your turn today, but a move. No, all me would and did do, I just pick it up. That's all me would and did do.
Yes, Lisa, boy, oh boy, the way Lisa and Whine on Whine. Lisa, you know what you're doing, you know? You definitely know what you are doing. You know what you're doing. I feel like Lisa is going to whine her way into the Prime Minister position. Okay? She's going to whine her way into that seat. Something is up. Lisa and I normally dance and whine so on social media. Something is on the horizon and I am here for it. Burritos, I want you to let me know in the comments now how much you'd have. I'm afraid to change that question. How much should I rate Lisa Hanna's whining abilities? Sound off in the comments.
Let's come back to close up camera now. Let's introduce the next one. I'm massive.
Mm-hmm. Embassy flop. God, this was funny.
1, 2.
Number 7, Embassy flop. Yes, so this video was quite hilarious, you know, readers know. Like, this came from this lady. Oh God, oh Lord, I feel fear. The woman took up herself on her birthday, you know, so she will go to the embassy to see she can go get her, you know, her visa and these things, so she can go and travel. It's her birthday. What possibly could go wrong? Take a watch.
I say people, I take up my enough self, dressed like a cut post, gone up at the people in embassy, and the people them turn me down, my love. The people them say, why you want to travel? I say, because I want to see the snow that I always see on the TV. Hey, brother! I can't bother. People, right now I don't know if I must cry or if I must laugh. But I'm laughing for now, my love.
No, honestly, I feel it for the girl, you know. I feel it for the girl. I just saw it go sometime. Like, you're not prepared for when you go up there and talk to the people then, because they will ask you some questions, some things where you have to think fast. When one lady go up there and she go bring her son because she said she have a man over there where supposed to go take care of she and her family and all of these things. And when the woman realized the lady answered too quick, she started to question the woman pitney and said, do you know this man? And the poor pitney go say, no, I don't know him, never met him before. So the woman said, so if this person comes down regularly, is a part of your family and the son that you live with and you're the sole guardian, how is he unaware of this partner? Me mama say shame kill me for the woman right there. But luckily, because the people who were successful, it's very unfortunate, but better luck next time. Don't stop trying, okay? Because as a great songwriter said, well, I told them sing it in a couple of people they sing one song about try. Cause Pink they sing one about try, Alia have one about try, and I feel like whole heap of Jamaican artists have a song about try. Yeah. Between Ayaptine and Cargo, they must have something get to you try. So yeah, man, just listen one of them song there and we'll come again next year. What the shit? What is now?
This is number 6.
Frightened. Okay.
2, 3, 2, 1, go.
Number 6, frightened mom. Yes, so I saw this video and boy, it just had me rolling my head laughing. It was hilarious. So, you know, the Mother's Day is coming up, right? Please do not try this at home with your mother. So a daughter was there hanging around her mother now and she decided to go play one prank, convincing her mother that she was talking to her boyfriend, but only she and her mother did in the room. Look at how it unfolded.
So, what? So now that you get a phone call, you ready to leave? Now that you get phone call, rain or fall, you are going to leave now if you go fix tire conveniently. Conveniently you get a phone call, now in a rain, and you go fix tire. And from there, I realize they avoid the call. But now you want to go fix the tire. Conveniently. Conveniently. It's a joke.
Who you talk to?
Frank.
When they?
They left, say him go fix tire.
When they?
Senior.
Who?
Him. Frank.
When they?
Senior so about him go
Where?
fix tire. Tell my mother where you say they go.
Who?
Because in a rain you go fix tire.
Who?
Tell my mother. Frank.
Who?
See me?
Where?
Frank see me right at some me.
But Sharon, something
Tell
to
me,
your
mother.
man. Where you do?
Frank.
You smoke, Sharon.
Frank.
Share the weed, Sharon.
Frank.
The weed.
Frank.
No, Sharon.
Tell me mother, where did they go?
Mommy. Tell you all the
Mommy,
while.
Frank.
You have to stop this smoking.
If
Sharon.
you think
No, Sharon.
Frank, it not happen
No,
tonight.
Sharon, you need to
Me
go
I tell you.
doctor.
Mommy, not do me. Mommy,
Me I feel okay,
not do me. No do me. Frank.
Sharon.
Me answer
Me I feel okay,
just tell
Dr. Sharon.
Mommy make Frank tell you where him a go.
When they?
See, Frankie, I'm gonna like if you tell me mother where you go. And I make me your
Frank.
Mommy. So, oh, you hide from your mother now. You
When
hide.
they?
You hide from your mother.
Why you can't hide from me? You're so sure.
You hide from your mother. Okay. So you want to sneak out. Mommy, I sneak you want to
No,
sneak out.
Sherman. No, something wrong. Something
Frank. May I ask if you just tell me
Something
mother where you go. Rain
definitely
or
wrong
fall.
with your Sherry.
You get phone call.
No.
Tell me mother where they go.
Mercy.
No, if you tell Mommy,
man, I wish
Frank,
I
I leave
could.
Mommy, you don't understand, you know? Games, you might try play, Mommy.
But
Games.
Sherman, look at me, no see
Mommy, you might try
nobody.
play games. And it not gonna work.
No, this
You
a
tell us
big
it not gonna
problem.
work. Mommy, it not gonna work. Today
This
the
a
game
some
now
big
work.
problem, Sherry, this a
Mommy.
something do you share?
Mommy, talk to him. Mommy, ask if you talk to him. Because me I cut up the chicken today. Me I cut up the chicken today. And me don't like him for no make him have done. Today, like for me I cut up the chicken. So talk
No,
to him.
Sherry, put on my knife. Nobody cut
Talk
up no
to him.
chicken. Lord have mercy,
Frank,
Sherry,
you know up for him, you know up. Mommy talk to
No,
him. No, you
Sherry,
say no, Mommy. You say something to me, but him want left. Me care come on my mother yard and all of a sudden rain a fall and you want to leave. What kind of style them
I'm not passing nobody.
But I like
come here
you.
with your share.
Mommy,
Are you
tell
one missy come?
you never say me care from.
No.
No, because the whole time I try hide from you. The whole time Mommy I try hide from you.
When they?
Frank. Let me go look if you can go out there. So.
Lord of Oh man, sitting wrong. How share they talk to?
Frank,
No
hey.
man, something wrong.
Mommy, you know
Share,
Mommy.
me go call that.
Nah, deal with it today.
No, me don't call
Today,
that.
me nah deal with it. I tell you. Mommy, me
You
nah
carry
deal
phone come
with
there.
it.
You carry my phone come.
Mommy, talk
No,
to
me have
him.
to go call Dr. Thompson. No.
Mommy,
You
talk to him.
explain this to Dr. Thompson. Make him tell me
Talk to
something.
him. Mommy,
Me
talk
have
to
go
him.
and hear something. No man.
Mommy, me I tell her say me not in a foolishness, you know, because tell Frank say me not in it.
Calm down, Sherry. Calm
Mommy, me
down.
not in it.
Sherry, calm
Talk to him to me today.
Talk
Talk to him for me today. Today. Talk to
Oh,
him.
mercy, no sir. You no carry my phone come there.
No, man, that was a wicked, cruel act. Oh, God. You preyed upon the innocence of a Jamaican mother. Do you know the woman that come off of the phone and go to church, go, what you call it, crusade, and what is some of the name? With fasting for like a week so that you can get over this demon or whatever I got you. You hear all the mother go say, but tell you about the weed, you know, but tell you about the weed. And this girl that they are caused this imaginary from. But Marinos, let me know, would you try something like this on Mother's Day? Sound off below.
And we're going to number
5.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Number 5, little boy broke. Yes, and so we don't know it's a child's month. We're in a child's month now, okay? And my birthday month, May the 26th, don't forget it. So yeah, man, child's month is all of May, right? And so this video now is showing you that children always know. They always have the answers. Take a look.
What is it? Who not make you eat nothing? Mommy not make you eat nothing?
No.
What make? Eh? KFC?
Yeah.
That you want?
Yeah.
Eh. So you have money?
No. Dog.
What you say?
Dog.
I don't hear you.
Dog.
You broke like dog? Eh?
Yeah.
Eh.
Until I lost the money.
Eh?
Until I lost the money. Until book that too.
So everybody broke like dog?
Yeah.
Jaja.
Lost that dog.
Again.
No, I want you to hear no more broke like dog. He can barely pronounce or articulate the words. He can barely articulate the words, but he know enough to say, broke like dog. You know, honestly, I feel like it's his mother. Because especially if the mother and the father now living at the same house, you know, wanna know oh there's something that they when mommy want money, who them are gonna send for go do the dirty work? The child. And the child can make it seem like everything there at the house because the lady needs some little extra catching. So what she goodly do, is just tell him when you see your father reach at the gate, anything him ask for, you don't have it. You're broke. Not in here. So you can get like extra money and she can take it and do as she please, which for herself and the child. But Marino, let me know, are you currently right now? So now in the comments.
It's ready to say.
Oh, well, that's something, yeah.
4, 3, 2.
Number 4, Wild Taxi Man. Oh. Yeah, so I don't like this video because the video kind of shows say a lot of us when we talk about my tongue a while ago, Jesus, I'm gonna press along because we are what? Saints. Okay, so me not understand why so many Jamaican people are walking around crossed, angry, and me, he's a rebel. This brother, you know what? Can we just play a little piece of the video? Can we? Please, just, yeah.
No, I can't just leave. I don't think you should. I did. Stop. Close the door. Stop, we're gonna fix it. Stop. Stop. Please stop. Step back. Please, we're gonna fix it.
3, 2, 1.
I remember back in the day, upon Disney Channel, I think Hilary Duff, they have one song where it say, hey now, this is what dream. No, this wasn't another dream. This is what nightmares are made of. Because this is what in Jamaica and Freddy Krueger. Like, this was terrifying. You ever tell me, say, sure, apparently they must have probably hit him car, something got some disagreement. There's a different way how you can deal with it. But he literally decided to be impatient, go up to the people, them, harass them, violate them. You can hear the woman in the car like she is just out of her mind. She was terrified. And fear, we don't know if it's her boyfriend or family member, but boy, your boy, I'll end up and get hosting because, Jamaican thing is supposed to brave and have the bravado thing there and jump in like, and jump out there, go fight after man and them something there, but why? But when push come to shove, he eventually, was caught by the police. And guess what? The brother is, of course, illegal taxi operator. He has 61 tickets. Outstanding, 61. 4 warrants. You get me? 4. And me, I'll be like, this are your behavior. If I were you, I would be tiptoeing in these streets. Somebody could have literally crashed my vehicle. I would have been like, you know what? It is okay. God will provide. Gentle Jesus, meek and man, look upon a little child like me. And then when the news came out and said that this brother was 37, when he literally have the epidermis of George William Grant. Come on now, man. Like the long time, like you know, if you would take a picture with him and Sam Sharp put two together, you understand when so miserable. Because life dealt him a bad card from genetics. You get me? And that's why sometimes when I say people, just allow them. People are walk with some stresses. People will literally want to fight you just because they have one dimples and they never born with it. So they all care that every little thing just eat it. So let me just say this. Just when you wake up in the morning, people, woosa. Burritos on the live right now, what are you going to do? Woosa. Okay? That is it. Whew.
Number 3.
Yeah. Boy, I can't count.
4, 3, 2, go.
Number 3, Spices Remedy. Yes, so dancehall artist, queen of stage, Spice, is a woman who knows to do several different things. So so she can angle herself in the bedroom, according to her son saying. And you see what she does on stage and you know what she does in the booth. But it look like this woman also knows how to be one of them people there where have the little remedies. She knows how to make her own little potions or home stuff. And so when her makeup artist came to her with a sore throat, Spice went to the rescue and became Dr. Blue. Take a look.
My makeup artist came to beat my face with a sore throat.
Grab the honey, I have the lemon right here, so and you have to roll it, make it soft, you want to get out the juice outside, and I'm going to goggle that throat there. I mean, I know where you goggle last night, make your throat sag up, and you can't talk, but I'm going to take you right here. Jesus! I'm going to pick out the seed. I know she used to seed and balls, now she swallowed that seed, yeah. I'm going to drop piece of this tonight. So in Jamaica, we call it Cinco Bible. Yeah, but we don't know it as aloe vera. So I'm going to drop piece of this tonight, and I'm going to drop some garlic. Because garlic is antibiotic.
Me not taste that and it tastes bad?
No, you not taste it. This is not something you're going to taste. This is just slide down your throat. One go. Yeah, my artist know me, I have to know to clear up my throat. So, when you swallow
man, you can't cut up that smaller.
No, just swallow it. You have to feel level up them in there. You're not tasting this for eat. I don't food me I give you. I use this now. My ingredients is ready. One shot. I have aloe vera, I have honey, I have lime, I have garlic, 2 tubs of garlic. I put a cayenne pepper in it, but alright. There you go, ma'am. Dr. Grace.
Thank you, Dr.
Fixing
Grace.
up your throat.
So I hear my soul right now. Hopefully by the end of the day, better.
No more oral sex. Just put it in the back of your throat and swallow. Right. One glove.
That's what we're doing.
Alright, now say nothing.
Alright.
Swallow, don't taste. Just swallow, just swallow. Yes.
Boy.
Yes.
No, honestly, like Spice, big up to you for doing that and coming to the rescue of your makeup artist. But like Spice, you know, you have a little quagmire humor there, you know, like you have a little, because why did I make them little joke there was the girl first one of the things there. But Marinos, let me know what is one home remedy that you absolutely hate. Me eat always something again to wash out, and then when you have to eat the aloe vera. Yeah, man, that's mine. Let me know what was yours.
Or number 2, right? Or 3, 2.
Number 2, pattern pinkness. Oh Lord, I think I should have probably named this something different, but pattern pinkness. What comes to mind when you hear it? Anyway, so Pamputtae was recently given the task of performing on Nicki Minaj's Pink Friday tour, and so she went on stage, you know, and she dealt with it in the truest way that a Jamaican should. Can we watch it? Yeah, man, we can.
Y'all, guess who blessed us with her presence tonight in Gag City? It is none other than Pamputtae from the fine motherfucking 9.
That is it.
Okay.
Oh, it's probably the same thing.
Yeah.
Lord God.
I can see the beat, man. I can see they have to ask the same time.
Yeah, man, it's there, man. So I realize all of the stuff then that they create and export from CapCut into it. It's
so that means the 1A is a hit too.
Yeah. God. Well, we're learning.
I love the pause, and it's not too much to do, really. And it helps with streamlining the show. I'm glad it's not awkward or anything like that.
Yeah.
Together. Stage 1. So that means say I will show what this one.
I actually not going to use the Nicki Minaj one.
Use the issue one.
Yeah.
Technically, that.
Yeah. Almost done. I might want to do a piece of the opening.
Or is it read the opening?
Yeah, a piece of the opening. Larry probably mentioned.
We can just record it.
Yeah, that I mean. No, yeah. Because I realized I should have mentioned Beenie Man is to come at the top.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I should have mentioned it. I didn't.
Yeah, but under the regular circumstances, we may not wait now. We're this late with it and so forth. Well, that's the first time.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because I have a friend for the yeah.
Yo, bro, sorry to miss the card. About give me 20 more minutes. Wait in there. Wait, so what time am I gonna be there until? Alright, am I expecting? Expecting. Can it be a case where you're making no say where I come back? But then again, probably better reschedule it. Exactly. And then one of them you see them in about less than an hour. In all honesty, bro, if we do what we need to do this week with Z, then we probably just you open up and try. I responsibility, yes. Either one. Yeah, alright, bro. Me call it when we do it. Yeah. This I already know this. So I want to
Yeah, but you got to go into the StreamYard after when you went back home. You got to ever download one of them?
The ones we do already?
Yeah, the test.
No.
Yeah, I wish you had. I just remember I give you two versions. One, the higher quality one, doesn't have the assets.
As in,
When the StreamYard, so when we done recording, I think usually when I did test it before, there was one with the assets, but that quality doesn't look as nice as the one that has the raw video without the assets.
Oh.
Say I have one that records and it's coming like it just records everything where the camera see. But then you have another one that records what we are also doing here, so along with the camera.
Low resolution.
The quality don't look as, it's not like it's 480, but you just can look and be like, yeah man, I want to look like it have the better lens. And I think the audio, but I remember I'm like,
if that's the case, that almost feel like it would force you to do one or two things. Do a lot of work after, as in editing.
Yeah, I know.
Or go live.
Yeah, for like recording it live.
So
yeah.
This week maybe we can actually do that. I'm going to see because for me, what I wanted to do today is after we're done recording, put it in a Premiere and then go treat myself, clean it up. You know what I mean? Given say CVM is 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
At 3:20, might get to sit down and go through, but I want to at least bring it into Premiere and see what it would be like.
All right, sorry if I come wrap this. Turning to make notes of that, so this can only is only MP4 can go up into that.
Yeah.
Learning lessons.
All right, so already reached number few though.
Yeah. Yo, days really go by fast now. Like it's kind of it's really weird, man. One day if I see in time.
Something about this little space here.
Mm-hmm.
It's like there are good aspects to it, but in all honesty, time travels different.
Yep.
The space here, and I noticed it last time. when we did hungry, then we did get. That is proof that this is the point.
Shit, you shouldn't have said that. Okay, you just said that now and then I'm like, I'm hungry. I'm actually starving. Jaja.
This guy hurt. It's sweet.
Well, you would actually.
Yeah, sure.
Well, I mean, people that like going up one something like one bus or something to know from whether they are dead in the middle of the desert. And then middle of the night or some people have some cabin or some part. Everybody asleep only you with a bag. You see, I tried to take a time, you're like, you had food this entire time. So yeah.
Violence, right there and here.
You see, hungry and killing in the middle of the night, I take a time.
Something like that happened last night.
Yeah, take a time, I'm like, oh God, let me try.
Something like that happened with water. Isn't it? So the virgin them sleep with the water in done, but we go out. Water. Man, you sleep on Thursday. Come there, 3 months. Yo, crack that bread up. Squeeze that bread up. We never fight. We were modern and reasonable men.
So you know, so we have some instincts where we're not tap into, you know. Like when you really like it, make you very like.
Yeah, no, very weary or very like it would have stopped you in your tracks.
You know, young guy and stuff when I like, I want somebody to food that man. Let's go.
So basically, you did introduce it already.
How do you feel for play? No, honestly, that was truly heartwarming. Am I the only person like fighting back tears? Never in my life have I seen somebody say, pat your front and call a name. And that made me feel so motivated and proud to be a Jamaican. Like that patting was a pat of inspiration. That was a patting that deserved the order of Jamaica, honestly. Because when you walk out there now, something about being truly Jamaican, especially capturing the essence of the raid, the boy, and the lad, that culture on that stage, and to that thunderous applause that she got when she bent over and her body jaw was just doing the indicator there, so, and the place erupted. How can you not feel proud to be a Jamaican? Look at that. This is or do this and beat me. Pamputtae, very proud of you. You know, you had like a whole heap of people that must say that owe people money and all kind of things, a whole heap of controversy. But for you to just say, you know what? I'm going to show you who really a win. All right? If you're going to play a match and look on the scores then, you are winning. So congratulations, Pamputtae, and that was a nice little performance that you did. And I'd love to see you come on the set so me can talk, okay? All right. Oh, number one. Can I plug out?
Is basically it recurring to the memory card isn't happening.
Okay.
But that's all right. So.
All right, and so in the number one spot, oh God, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my bibliotheca, it is none other than time to add Miss Debbie Burp. Okay, all right, Debbie. You have been viral before, viral again, and you will be viral 10 years into the future because that song what you have is the gift that keeps on giving. Okay, Jesus P man. So Debbie have one song named Time to Add. And boy, I mean, I think I can't even play the fullness of the song because the song full of expletives, but it is too iconic for me not to put it at the top of the countdown for this week. So if you don't know, go and go take a look at peeps of how the song originated. Yeah, man.
That's the 1A.
Mm-hmm.
Original Debbie Burp. Take a good look. My name gone down in a dick. Bow, can a girl not for me with no dildo. Bow, and a girl not for me with no puss. Bow, and bottom out, feed up my top mouth. Bow. Me not 2023, I got 2024. Me not run free puss short, not at all. Time to war your up before ain't name. Time to war your puss up before not ain't name. Money in a hand before your whole.
Editing that a while ago made me feel the struggle and the pain of the broadcast commission. Okay, like, especially like listening to some of these dancehall songs because boy, the song there, it rocks, but I kind of like it. Like it is literally an anthem because it sounds like a feminist movement, but you have this like gangster swag with it too, and it's just like, I would actually pay because you've made a convincing argument. Because you can't look on it and like what the little you did say earlier on was say like, broke like dog, like time really hard, life is really rough out here. So if you are saying you want some compensation for your talents that are in your wastial regions, yeah, not the name so. But that, if you want the compensation, maybe you deserve it, okay? And so this trend has just been going viral and viral on TikTok. And
so this trend has
So the trend has been going, more and more people are starting to like do videos to the song and want to go and check out some of them.
Debbie Burp, me not sell put at the farm. Yeah, let them in the hotel naked. When I'm not pay bill, what you have to do? Take with them pants and take with them shirt. Let them in the hotel naked because them not pay bill. Money in a hand before your hole. Open up your hand before you open up your hole. Who kind to you? You run the...
Yeah. Come on, burritos, ready. Who kind to you? You run the... Hey, time to audience. No, man, not too much bleeping right now, man. Like, Jesus, but big up yourself, Debbie Burp, because regardless of the facts that this song very careless and full of expletives, it really is iconic. Like putting that song on the WAP rhythm with Cardi B and Meg Thee Stallion. Whoever did that, genius. And hopefully Joe Bogdanovich can put you on Sumfest coming this summer. And then you probably can share the stage with Candy Wow, so she can do for your song. Come on, I love me, mama. Anytime it's cool, I can get mama. Nobody know the song I say. But that is it for the top 10 portion of this week's countdown in the burritos. Please just relax and stay because we have more show for you. Because coming up next is my exclusive interview with the king of dancehall, Beenie Man. You do not want to miss it.
Place in the front of with the new. Let's think about this.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, ready when you're ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Look up your eyes so we can.
Everyone, Dutty Berry, for your Dutty Berry Show.
Oh gosh. Wow, we reach. No, man, keep the applause going. Thank you very much. Yes. I am here. This is the 10th anniversary of my baby, my social media countdown show. So we have a new set new little fandangles and all kind of things. And I am very excited because we have so much show for Una today. Like coming up, we have an exclusive interview with the king of dancehall, Beenie Man himself, and we talk about some things. And I think that interview was just like, it was very enlightening and very fun for me. And so, boy, oh boy, I don't know why I'm nervous. It's 10 years, Burritos, and we've been on this journey from 2014 to 2024. And it's been filled with ups and downs. Like, may I tell you, I started this show just after book-ups because I wanted something that I believed would give me longevity and allow me to remain relevant and could have sustained. And guess what? It actually worked at 10 years. And so, quick look at history, right after the Voice with Tessa and Shane, and that they've gone, right? It ended in December, and I was just like, so what am I going to do? Because I basically just did do one video on YouTube and make it an audience, and I had no idea what was going to come next. And so I spent some time not in jail, but I spent some time to just sit back and to just, what you call it, ruminate. I was ruminating because the people that will use them thesaurus. I was ruminating, and I got the idea to start something, and I coined it the TheDuttyBerryShow social media countdown to talk about the hot topics and things that were trending on online and regular media. And so it's here now. And Burritos, I would not have done it without you. Una know so sometimes I'm inconsistent. Una know sometimes I can't really bother with the spotlight. I can't really deal with praises. But you have remained loyal and faithful and dedicated to this channel. And for that, I forgot to salute you. And so this year, I want to be more and I want to do more and take you guys along the journey, especially the ones who are in the diaspora. Because sometimes when I really, not much of a fanfare in Jamaica, but you continue to remind me the value of the show for you guys. And so that's why I will stay encouraged and continue to deliver content as best as I can. Okay? And so this season wouldn't be possible without a whole heap of people. And so first up, I have to go and big up Duns Electrical for providing me with this lovely table because I decided I don't want to turn up anymore because my knees are getting old. And so the table is provided by Duns, and they'll be actually having a sale coming up. I'm gonna ask Mr. Producer if you can put on the ticker on the screen so you can see it. They have a sale the 23rd to the 26th. That's around my birthday, a yard sale where you can get the stuff them at discounted rates, discounted prices, and make sure so when you go, tell them say Dutty Berry send Uno, okay? And so you can go and check out Duns Electrical for all your home needs. Yes, man. And as well as that, I have to big up Akeem, my bridging on the launch of his car wash. They're celebrating their 1 year anniversary, right? And so for any one of you guys who watch and want to care to be clean, they are mobile, so they can come to your location, or you can meet them along the UTech UE area. And so you can go and check them out right here. Go and make sure so the number is available on screen so you can know how to contact them. So big up car wash. That's AH, me call it is AH car wash. Okay, check them out today. And so I have whole heap of show for you. There are whole heap of changes, but I'm going to unleash all of them right now. This is the 10th anniversary show. I'm going to just run off my mouth and chat for the entire session. So let's actually jump into what y'all want to see. And it's the top 10 topics. Let's go.
The dirty, the berry, the juicy, the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
We can pick up. What if they're not doing? Ready?
No, I'm ready.
And yes, before we jump into the topics, I have to go and mention that yeah, man. And so on reflecting, after I did this video for y'all so we can all reflect over the 10 years. So please to go and check out. This is a recap of what this journey has been like.
All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey,
welcome to the first Dutty Berry social media review. Where basically I just talk about anything that I find interesting in terms of pictures, videos, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and all them something there. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to another social media countdown. Welcome back to another Dutty Berry social media countdown. Social media countdown is here again. Our new social media countdown. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to
another social media countdown. Oh Lord, big up the broke and hungry days, the skinny days. Y'all were fun. Jesus PM. And oh Lord, let me not just say, let me not just talk about that. That as the years have gone by, like my pant size has definitely expanded. But yeah, man, you know, I'm just so grateful because I've really been doing this countdown on my own for the majority of that journey by myself, no help, me one. When I get the messages, and they're saying like, yo, big up your team. And I'm like, which team? Which what? Where? Which part? And me one, at my yard, me used to in the middle of the night, me get up, me set up my green screen, me had a camera person, me had a producer. I am pulling the topics. I am doing all of these things. And I did not realize that it was work. And I did not realize it totally took on me because I was so passionate. Okay? And so right now, luckily, I'm able to have a crew of people and we're going to do the show. And I'll tell you more about that in the coming weeks. But right now, let's go and jump into the topics that you want me to go and talk about because we are here for the quote-unquote mix-up. So let's get into the countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Judge.
End recording now.